one is a little bit of the description of the factory.
Chocolate beans. Cocoa beans.
There's a cacao beans here. So I want my different three pieces like this, and they surface all the box with the banana leaf, and they fill the tank with the cacao beans. Texture. Yeah, and then they dry it, and after they dry it, here I don't know. Like they harvest between 3 to 5 years. It allows the fruit to be mature enough, but they can. And here I heard that some farmers they can have the fruit like in between 18 months, but the fruit is not mature enough. So in between 3 to 5 pieces. And this is the way that you can see.
Oh, that's a. Oh no.
Yeah, this is not all the beans. But they challenge in the machine, it gives the bitter taste and the have this texture like powdery, yeah, not smooth enough. And I crack the uncooked bean for making roasted sweet cacao nib. Yeah. Being done. Here is chili. And this one is chili. That one is yeah. This one is just sweet powder. With that we take this material back. It's really thick, you can feel it. And we place it two layers. And then we add the liquid 100% in. So the liquid is coming out is cacao butter, and the rest inside is like this. But it's more harder. It's more harder because by this
Just
one,
sugar and cocoa.
yeah, just sugar and cocoa. And here we have 65% till 100%. 5% take 24 hours. Then we level the sugar. And after we level the sugar, it takes 2 more days.
This one has been how many days?
This one is more than 3 levels already. So I
Just run.
yeah, just keep running. Because it's full of stock right now. But you can have this with muesli, cereal, or yogurt. I like it with yogurt. You want to try?
We cannot try.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. But at least we know how you. People
So-
still like coconut. I think
Yeah.
coconut will be fast selling.
Yeah. Yeah, we store it in the fridge. Now this is like
Yeah.
and here you focus on the one ingredient. And then
Just
it's
chocolate.
stamp it, and then they fold in the pepper,
Uh-huh.
and then they put them.
Oh, then
With
you
the-
stand for that.
Yeah, but they use the stamp there. They need to stamp the best before date and the batch number of the chocolate.
So they know when.
So
it was made.
when I do the machine, like fold it.
Hand folded.
Yeah.
Oh.
All of this is hand,
Ah.
except my area there.
Their own machine.
That machine only oven, cracking, and that one and this one. Picking is my hand.
Yeah.
And before we roast it, we need to see if any plastic or something out from the back. We need to see one by one too, because otherwise, one in a while you will see like a little bit of plastic and stuff. No, we don't want this to happen.
Yes.
So that's why they tempering the chocolate, they tempering the mold, and then they scale it. They place the chocolate on the top, and you see that machine is a will be separate. And you will see the white spot floating up. It's not looking nice, but it's still eatable, but it's just not looking nice. Some customers think that it must be mold or fungus.
Your lab area. This is your lab. The chocolate lab.
So here is where we do this area. We do this is my mold. I will bring the mold and show you in the those are 20 gram because it's 6 bar and 70 gram.
Oh,
It's more quantity. You do the tour and teach me, and then I feel like this is it's at home. It's at home.
Good that you enjoy your work.
Yeah.
getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer.
Down is the same price, is 0.75.
One only?
Yeah. And the other one is 90 also. Same price.
Same price.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
See you again.
Thank you for visiting.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye bye.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye bye. Thank you for opening up.
네.
Yeah.